Hi friends, welcome to the channel with me Pallavi. My very sweet neighbor has gifted me this jackfruit. So now we are going to cut it and make something special with it. So here I have my jackfruit pulp. The fruit is nice and sweet and juicy. Now we are going to make some jackfruit muffins with this. To prepare jackfruit muffins, I have taken 1 cup of Maida, half cup of Rava, this is Coarse or Bansi Rava, half a cup of grated coconut, half a cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease the quantity depending on the sweetness of the jackfruit. I have taken 15 pieces of jackfruit, 100 grams of unsalted butter. We need baking soda and half a cup of yogurt. Now I am going to take one piece out of jackfruit and cut it into small slices. The rest of the jackfruit I am going to grind along with sugar and coconut in my mixie grinder into a paste. I have ground the jackfruit, coconut and sugar. It just needs to be ground to a coarse paste. Now we'll take butter in a large jar. This butter is at room temperature. We'll now cream the butter into a smooth paste. Once the butter is creamed, we'll add our jackfruit, coconut and sugar mix into the butter and we'll give it all a good mix. The whole mixture will be very soft and creamy. Next we are going to add our rava first. We'll add the rava, mix it all well until all the rava is covered with the cream mixture. After that we'll add our maida. I'm just going to pass it through a sift. And now we are going to cut and fold gently until all the maida is incorporated into our fruit mix. Jackfruit mix. I'm going to take half a cup of yogurt or drained curd. Let's whip it up well until there are no lumps. To this we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt if we are using unsalted butter, and then add half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix it well again. You'll see the yogurt is very frothy now. We'll add this frothy yogurt mix into our Maida jackfruit mix. Let's again cut and fold gently until all the yogurt is incorporated with our flour mix. Now we'll add the cut pieces of jackfruit and mix it well again. We'll now scoop our mix into our muffin cases which we have lined in our muffin pan. This needs to bake in a medium hot oven, so we'll preheat the oven to 180 degrees and then reduce the heat to 160 degrees and cook it for half an hour. After half an hour, test with a skewer or knife, and if it's done, serve the muffins hot.